show you how to pair the camera up to the display. Firstly, we need to turn the display on. Using the AV icon, we now need to select Cam 1. You can only select one channel at a time when pairing a camera. So for this example, I've selected Cam 1, and this is the channel that I'll be connecting this camera to. Now we've decided which channel our camera is going to be paired to, we now need to go to the display and click M. You then highlight the pairing icon and click AV, and pairing has now started on the display. So you can now go to your camera and power your camera on. We then wait a few seconds for our camera and monitor to pair, then you're ready to go.